I'm a wild green guy living under the bed. I gobble up a sock before you turn your head. Like a bolt to light, I make your heart jump. My name is Mr. Bumpy. I go bump, 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 yeah, bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's green dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping the night. It's Bump with Squishy.
She's my very best pal.
Bump with Molly.
She's my favorite gal. Bump of Closet Monster and Destructo too. But those guys don't bother Bumpy. He knows what to do. Say bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's green dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping the night.
You can bump with the doll, bump with the bug. Bump on the ceiling or bump on the rug. And you can bump too from the east to the west. Just bump with the monster you love best. Say bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's green dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping the night.
My name is Mr. Bumpy. I go bump in the night. Picture this. You and me, the first to reach the man in the moon and fly up his nose.
I think it's full, Captain Bumpy.
Then shut the valve, Junior Space Cadet.
Oh, horrors! What have I done? Are you in grievous, insufferable pain, Mr. Bumpy?
What a rush! Why'd you turn the wrong valve? Boy, only a doofus would do that. Hey, wait up, true blue dude. Where you going? Yoo-hoo! The galaxies are calling. Oh, open up, co-pilot. Don't you want to see the moon?
I see plenty. Besides, who wants a doofus for a co-pilot?
Oh, if only I hadn't said those heinous words. If only the syllables did not pass my lips. If only I could go back in time and unsay what I said. Hey, why not? This is a cartoon after all. Only problem is, how do you time travel when you need to? That's it. I'll sneeze myself back in time. Bumpy, you're a genius. Cool. It's working. I'm so cute, but I'm backwards. I should like to get off here, please. This time, I'll teach this Squishman the right valve so he can't mess up. Fujade. Take 5, dude. I'll take it from here. An imposter. Imposter? Check my passport, boy, because you're looking at the one and only Chief Bull Goose, King of the Hill, USDA Prime Bump Roaster. Prove it with relish. A burp challenge, eh? Told you. Hold the phone, Squishy. Don't move a missile. A little rocket humor. Today's lesson is nozzle identification. This is the pressure lock. When we turn it, it holds Mr. Pressure in. Can you say that? In. And this is the release valve. No toucho. Comprende? Repeat after me. Green, good. Blue, bad. Green, good. Blue, bad.
Don't you mean blue, stupid, like me?
Oh, look, Squish Sticks. I'm just helping you not mess up.
You think I'm a mess up? Then do it yourself.
Okay, I made it worse. So sue me. Whoop. Here's me stop. Excuse me? Get lost. Get a clue. Hey, bros, chill on the tood. Why do you two bumpaleros always have to do everything your way? Why do you? Well, 'cause I'm from the future, so I'm older. No, I am. Get off my foot. Go suck a rat's toes. Bump off. That is for hurting Squishamio's feelings. Back to the launching pad. Darling Squishington, please bump away to your gentle heart's content. That's okay. There you really go, Buddy Buster. Gosh, that was fun. Thanks, Wishington.
You mean you're not mad, Mr. Bumpy?
Oh, of course not, Squish me, no. You're my main monster, right, Bud?
Right, Mr. Bumpy.
Hallelujah! I finally did it right! My boss, will you steal my bad looks and my butt? Take this, and add a couple of these!
Stop, please! All of you stop! Can't you just get along?
Look! You've scared Squishington! Me? I'm the one not offending him!
Offending?
You've never been nice to the poor doofus.
Doofus?
Always! He's my pal, even when he does incredibly stupid things!
Stupid things? You're all mean! And I'm never coming out again, never, ever, ever, ever!
Dark! Instead of making things better, we've made it 3 times worse! 3 times more insulting! 3 times more offensive! Isn't there any way to make our pal feel better? Are you the ghost of Christmas past?
Oh no, you little Dickens! I'm Squishington! Actually, I am a future Squishington come back through time to help you. Oh, and you too.
Impart thy wisdom, your squishiositude.
I never forgot this fateful day when my best chum split into 3 and insulted me. You see, once you say a mean thing, you cannot take it back.
Then there is no hope.
Au contraire, Sybil, there is always hope. He decides.
Gasp! Who is she, oh wise Squishington?
She is the moral fairy. Here to drive home the point of my story.
Okay, number 1, you must learn from your mistake. Number 2, you must never do it again. And number 3,
Shake well before using?
no. Number 3 is apologize. Tell Squishington you're sorry.
Why, I should have figured it out with my new brain, and I should have felt it in my heart.
Knock it off.
Just do it!
We're sorry, Squishington.
Honest, really. We'll never do it again.
Ooh, how did you know just the right word to say?
I had a little help from a friend. I don't know who he was or where he got that scaggy fairy, but I wanted to thank him.
How come there's still 3 of you, Mr. Bumpy?
Ooh, you're right, Squish. Hey, you two, show's over. You can vanish now. You vanish. I'm staying. Why, I oughta... Oh, yeah?
Oops. Guess that means it's the end of the show. Oh, my aching ooze. Oh no, mustn't sneeze. Facial tissue.
Hey! That sounds like Squishington. Ooh, what a blow! Haven't seen one like that since I sneezed myself an hour into my own past. Squish must be trying to break my all-universe sneeze record. This I gotta see. Squishington, you okay? Where are you?
Oh, over here, Mr. Bumpy.
Oh, look at you. Head petals all tangled, nostrils all purple, complexion gooier than usual. Squish breath. Either you're sick or a regular fashion leader.
The former, I'm afraid. I was up all night coughing and sniffling, wheezing and congealing.
All that as fun as it sounds?
Well, I'm not having a good time. I have a cold.
Yeah, being sick's no fun, that's for sure. Hey, I know! I'll cure you! And I know just the thing. An operation! Real simple. We'll have you up in about no time. What do you say, Squish Man?
Oh, but I can't. I'm sick, Mr. Bumpy. Maybe when I'm feeling better.
Ooh, squish breath, buddy o' mine. You must be really blue. At least bluer than usual. Maybe you ought to go back to bed, big guy.
Sorry, Mr. Bumpy. I didn't mean to spoil the show this week. I just feel so rotten all over.
Hey, Squish Breath, hold that ooze. Maybe I can't cure you, but I can still cheer you up. You know, make you smile and feel all warm and jiggly inside.
Oh, that'd be the most wonderfulest super-duper thing ever.
Oh, pshaw. It ain't nothing. What are best friends for?
Why, everything. Tea parties, rainy days, waffle making. You can use them as stools or flying buttresses. They can even substitute for bay leaves and Haas and Pfeffer rabbit. And
Rabbit! That's it! I'll pull a rabbit out of my hat to cheer you up.
a rabbit? You mean a soft, white, hoppity, pink-eyed little wiggle-nosed bunny?
The very same. This book I've been eating tells you all about pulling furry things out of men's apparel.
Imagine a bunny to solace me in my hours of need. Why, just the thought of it makes me want to...
Easy! You're getting long on the book. Ooh, nice coloring. Fear not, mine friend, for I, Bumpy, swear by all the dirty socks in the universe to cheer you up by pulling a rabbit out of my hat. As soon as I can swipe one, that is. And now, let's have a warm, gooey welcome for the star of our show. Here's Bumpy, the magnificent and really good. Ta-da! Thank you. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, especially you rabbit lovers out there.
Woo! Oh, yeah! Yeah!
Open Sesame. Maybe you didn't hear. I said, open Sesame. Must be a trick latch or something. Gotta be here somewhere. Ooh, what is this? Oh. Ta-da! Ouch. And now, to pull a rabbit out of my hat. Hang on to your alakazam, Squishy. I'll have you petting the bunny in no time. I just reach in, I feel around, and I pull out.
Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy!
Nothing. A momentaneous setback. Hey, rabbit, you down there or what?
Mr. Bumpy, are you all right?
Squish Man, keep sniffling so I can find my way back.
Can you hear me?
Oh, civilization at last.
But what about my bunny needs, Mr. Bumpy?
All right. Now keep your sludge on, Squish Man. One genuine, soft and cuddly rabbit coming up. I swore I'd pull a rabbit out of this hat. Of course, I was counting on the hat cooperating. This time I'll use the magic words. Hocus, Dopus, in excelsis calamare. Bumpy says, rabbit appear. Hey, you're not a rabbit.
Got that right, Jakey. I'm your worst furry nightmare.
Stop, wait. Let's be reasonable.
He's right behind you, Mr. Bumpy. Here he comes on the outside, trailing by a leg, a half, a quarter. He's pulled even.
Help me. Got away.
Quick, Mr. Bumpy, you can lose him in here.
No, don't stop. Ow, that hurts. Well, we won't be seeing that mangy rodent for a while. Whoa! That was a close one. Thanks, Squishman.
Well, what are friends for?
To get rabbits. At least that's what I promised you. And that's what I'm gonna deliver.
Yeah. Really, Mr. Bumpy, I can get along without a...
No. You're getting a rabbit no matter what, Squishington. And it's gonna be soft, cute, white, and hungry. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Get me a rabbit on the double. I think I got one, Squishy.
A bunny! Oh, joy! I can feel his little pink tongue licking me already.
Okay, here he comes. Just a little more and we'll have a soft, cute, fuzzy land squid.
worry, Mr. Bumpy. I'll help you. Shoot it! Mr. Bumpy's being terrorized by that no-good hairy land squid. I've got to help him. Even if I am sick. Hang on, Mr. Bumpy!
Oh, don't be a fool, Squishy. You don't stand a chance.
I don't? Oh. Wait a sec. If you can't beat him, eat him. Ha! Why, you take that, you nasty land squid!
Ow! Careful, Squishy. Gesundheit.
Thank you, Mr. Bumpy. Sure hope I'm not contagious.
Yeah, we did it!
We survived!
We conquered!
We won!
Failed. I failed. I swore I'd pull a rabbit out of my hat. I swore. Oh, the shame, the sorrow, the sheer, unadulterated letdown. How could you ever forgive me, Squishy?
Easy. I forgive you, Mr. Bumpy.
Oh, worthless, useless, lower than a dung beetle doing the limbo.
But I told you I forgive you, Mr. Bumpy!
The world's better off without me, for I have failed my bestest friend, my peerless pal, my bosomest buddy.
But, Mr. Bumpy, that's a closet! The closet monster's in there! I forgive you! I forgive you!
I swore I'd get you a rabbit, Squish Man. I see no choice now but goodbye, Belle.
Wait!
Well,
Stay right there. Promise?
you're just delaying the inevitable. Besides, I promised to get you a bunny. No, I'm going. I am off. Fear not, Squishington. Maybe you will have some sleepless nights, but it'll pass.
Mr. Bumpy, are you sure you wouldn't like to try the hat one more time?
Squishy, can't you see it's hopeless? Then again, it couldn't hurt to try one more time. Okay, here we go. Hocus, Dopus, in excelsis calamari. Bumpy says, rabbit, up here. There. You see? It's hopeless. It's... Hey, wait a minute. I did it. I did it. I really did it. Here you go, Squishington. A soft, white, cute, furry bunny. Slipper, as promised. Sort of.
Oh, just what I needed to make me feel better. Thank you, Mr. Bumpy. You're the coolest friend a sick monster ever had.
Oh, Squish, you're my best friend, too.
Gesundheit, Mr. Bumpy.
Thank you there, Squish. I think you gave me your cold.
Well, what are friends for?